So we applied for the full grant for the vacant home, which was 50,000. We qualified for 46,500 of that. The work went on for about 15 months. We just had some issues with submitting the documentation, just making sure that everything was above board and right. And then we kind of moved in. I didn't actually know about the grant until the day that we actually got the keys to the house, and somebody mentioned to us, have you looked into the vacant home grant? And after a little bit of research, we found out that we did qualify. Our initial plan was just to give the house a lick of paint, put down new flooring and move straight in. But after kind of getting the keys, looking around, we did realise that the electrics probably weren't up to scratch. The plumbing and heating was a single loop system, so it wasn't the most efficient. And also the insulation of the house and the heating of it probably wasn't the best either. So we started off by applying, looking into the grant, getting the information online. We had to get quotations for all the work that we needed to get up front. So there was a little bit of work in that. It took about probably 3 to 4 months for that, and it was difficult trying to get vendors to come out and give us proposals for work up front without guaranteeing that they're coming to do the job. We actually had to pay some people to come out and give us quotations as well. But we applied for the grant, got approved in principle. In fairness to South Dublin County Council, they were very on board, they were very helpful. The guys came out and they really did give us the confidence in applying for the grant and going through the process and answering the kind of questions that we had. So after we got approval, it was kind of looking in and actually getting the work done. So we kind of went for the big ticket items, which were re-plumbing the house, doing the electrics in the house, and changing all the windows and doors to kind of be more efficient as well as insulating the house as well. So yeah, we worked through that. Couple of issues throughout, but it kind of went through. We had to apply for an extension, but in fairness, the Vacant Home Grant Committee or inside Dublin Council were very good and helpful with that as well.